Hello and welcome to the DIY session on battery inspection. Facing a problem with ignition? It might be the battery. After a checkup, in case it needs a replacement, follow these simple steps. To perform this task, you will need a screwdriver that is available in your motorcycle's toolkit. Additionally, you will also need a 10 mm tubular box spanner, a battery, petroleum jelly, and a multimeter. These are available at an authorized Benelli service center near you. To begin with, turn off the engine kill switch and the ignition switch and gently remove the right side panel cover by opening the lock. Always remove the negative or black cable first, followed by the positive or red cable while removing the battery connection. After removing the battery connection, loosen the two battery terminal clamps by using the screwdriver. Also, loosen the battery holding clamps hex bolts by using the 10 mm tubular box spanner. Carefully pull the holder bracket aside so that the battery can be easily accessible. Now remove the battery from its housing for a quick inspection. The right voltage should be 12.5 volts. Check it with the multimeter. If the battery is producing below 8 volts, then replace it with a new battery. Now fix the battery in its outer cover carefully and put it back in the housing. Align the battery by holding the clamps on either side and tightening both the bolts with the 10 mm tubular box spanner. Now tighten the battery's positive and negative terminals with the clamps by using the screwdriver. Next, cover both the terminal clamps fully with the outer covers. Put back the right side panel and lock it firmly. Now check if the battery is working properly by turning on the ignition. Remember, poor contact or loose fitment of battery terminals may prevent the engine from starting. So be careful by fitting. Check the battery periodically for cleanliness. Once in a while, use petroleum jelly on the terminals to keep them sulfation free. Your Benelli is all set to roar now.